In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take portrait photo in a photo mode on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Basically, guys, if we would like to take a portrait of some user, the best way to do so is switch to portrait mode, and then once you point your camera at someone's face, it will automatically get the best settings for the scene. Basically, portrait mode designed to highlight the person and to blur the background. However, we can change just one setting on our device to take portrait photos in photo mode. To do that, we need to open up settings and then scroll down to the camera settings. And that's where we need to scroll down again until we find portraits in photo mode. All we have to do is just turn this option on, and while it is turned on, it will automatically capture depth information if a person, dog or cat is prominent in the frame in photo mode. So you can apply portraits effect later in your camera roll. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.